Land Exemplary is the rebranded rendition of a digital money that aided reason a wide range of market issues recently. However, what precisely is it? We should investigate and see what we can realize, and furthermore cast our eyes over a portion of the Land Exemplary cost expectations that were being made starting around the 8th of September 2022. Land Exemplary made sense of. Land Exemplary, realized by its ticker handle of LUNC, is the local badge of the Land Exemplary blockchain. This is the equivalent blockchain, previously known as Land, made by crypto business people Daniel Shin and Do Kwon in 2019 to help make a stablecoin known as Terra USD. USTs were stamped by consuming Luna and could likewise be traded for Luna. That's what the thought was. Assuming the UST esteem transcended $1, the same worth of Luna would be scorched, which stamped more UST, making it less important. Then again, assuming that the UST cost fell beneath $1, they were traded for Luna, which thus made UST more important. This was fine and dandy until May 2022. Around then, when its biological system saw capital flight, following the depegging of UST and a dive in the cost of what was Luna. Financial backers who were once attracted to approach 20% profits from UST stores started to pull out and sell their UST tokens in an excited exit, as UST started losing its dollar stake on the 9th of May 2022. As more UST holders sold their tokens, Luna, which was intended to be an adjusting token to assist with keeping up with UST's dollar stake, saw excessive inflation, crypto market unrest. All between the 9th of May and the 12th of May, Luna lost essentially its worth as it dropped by 99.98% from about $64 to $0. UST likewise plunged, and with the breakdown causing strife in the crypto market, something must be finished. The Luna establishment gatekeeper declared that there would be a hard fork, with the new blockchain kept on as Land, with another type of a Luna coin. Nonetheless, these plans were quickly different and it was declared there would be a new blockchain. It was additionally reported that the first type of the blockchain would be known as Land Exemplary. In the meantime, UST would be rebranded as USTC, and was intended to create some distance from being an algorithmically supported stablecoin to being one upheld by security. The primary block of the new Land blockchain was stamped on the 28th of May, and from that point forward, what was whenever Luna has become LUNC, a digital money run and worked by its own local area. There was something of a curve in the tail when, on the 26th of September 2022, South Korean specialists requested Kwon, whose whereabouts are at present obscure, to be placed on Interpol's Red Rundown. Land Exemplary cost history. Presently we should look at the LUNC cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, understanding what the coin has done in the past can give us some valuable setting with regards to either deciphering an all-around existing Land Exemplary value expectation or making one of our own. While we will zero in on the LUNC coin as it has existed since May 2022, noticing the features of its past incarnation is significant. When Land originally went onto the open market in July 2019, it was worth around $1.30. This cost before long ended up being something of an overvaluation, and it before long tumbled to under $1, where it remained until mid-2021 when it broke more than $1 in January and moved to arrive at an occasional high of $22.33 on 21 walk. There was a drop-off throughout the next months, and a revisitation of structure later in the year, hitting a high of $103.33 on the 27th of December. What was then known as Luna partook in some outstanding cost activity in the initial not many long stretches of 2022, arriving at an unsurpassed high of $119.18 on the 5th of April. From that point forward, however, things turned out badly and it sank to an unsurpassed low of $0 the 13th of May. On the 28th of May, the day that new Luna appeared and the bygone one became LUNC, the coin shut the day at $0. From that point forward, there have been highs and lows. The news that the Celsius crypto loaning stage had dropped withdrawals affirmed the bear market, sending LUNC down to a low of $0 the 18th of June. From that point forward, however, there was some recuperation and, on the 29th of June it came to an intraday high of $0. There was a backup after this. However, in late August the cost shot up and it shut the month at $0. There was further gains after the declaration of proposition to present a 1.2% duty on exchanges on the blockchain. And things were helped again when the KuCoin trade said it upheld the plans. The recommendations went through on the 21st of September. On the 8th of September 2022, Land Exemplary arrived at a high of $0. Following that, however, its cost went down, dropping to around $0 the morning of the 26th of September 2022. By noon, following the report about the South Korean specialists, Interpol and Kwon, and maybe more critically, Binance making the declaration that it was to set up a 1.2% consume on LUNC exchanges, the cost shot up, with the crypto exchanging at around $0. With 6.15 trillion LUNC available for use out of an all-out supply of simply over 6.9 trillion, it had a market cap of around $1.9 billion, making it the 31st biggest crypto by that measurement. Land exemplary cost forecasts. With that all said and done, we should investigate a portion of the land exemplary cost forecasts that were being made on the 26th of September 2022. It is essential to call attention to that cost conjectures, particularly for something as possibly unpredictable as cryptographic money, are all the time off base. Likewise, long-haul crypto value forecasts are many times made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that they can change immediately. In the first place, had a LUNC crypto cost expectation that saw the crypto possibly exchange at around $0, prior year coming to $0 year from now and $0 year after that. By 2025, the site said LUNC could be valued at $0, prior to dropping to $0 next year. In 2027, the figure recommended the coin could be valued at $0, moving to $0 2028 and possibly shutting the 10 years at $0. The site then proceeded to make a land exemplary cost expectation for 2030 that said it could exchange at $0, prior to contending it might actually remain at 6 cents in 2031. Then, made a land exemplary cost expectation for 2022 that recommended the coin could reach $0 prior year, possibly moving to $0 year from now. In 2024, the site recommended LUNC could be valued at $0, before it contended for a land exemplary cost of 1 cent in 2025. How much trustworthiness you give this specific figure will rely upon whether you accept that LUNC can develop by something like 800% throughout the following couple of months. In the meantime, was fairly more downbeat as far as its LUNC cost forecast, saying the coin could tumble to $0 the finish of 2022 and just recuperating somewhat to $0 June 1 year from now. The land exemplary cost expectation for 2025 said the coin could develop to hit $0. That is pretty much as sure as this forecast goes, saying that LUNC will lose all its worth by September 2027. There is no indications of expectation for its 2030 figure or for its land exemplary cost forecast for 2040, either, affirming that it accepted that LUNC could stay a dead coin. At long last, was bullish when it came to making a land exemplary crypto cost forecast. The site said the coin's worth could ascend to $0 September 2023, and might actually move to $0 5 years' time. While considering a LUNC coin cost forecast, it's essential to remember that cryptographic money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. In that capacity, experts and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital money tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own exploration. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized in key investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to pursuing any venture choice. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns. Furthermore, never exchange with cash that you can't bear to lose.